Before downloading and installing the driver, you need to disable the built-in Bluetooth. If your computer does not have built-in Bluetooth, there is no need to disable it. First, we need to see if your computer has built-in Bluetooth. Right-click on the This PC, My Computer icon, and then select Manage. In the Computer Management window, click Device Manager. The device list will appear on the right side of the window. Find the Bluetooth, click the arrow next to the Bluetooth device, then select the built-in Bluetooth that needs to be disabled. Right-click, and select Disable Device. The systems that support downloading and installation are Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, 11. Firstly, open the browser and enter our official website address. After entering our official website, click on USB Bluetooth Adapter 5 Drop 3 for PC driver. Next, left-click on this image to enter Dropbox to download the driver. Jump to our Dropbox website and click on Download to download the 5-spot for Bluetooth adapter driver. After the download is completed, unzip the downloaded file. After plugging in the Bluetooth adapter, open the file downloaded from the website and run the setup.exe inside. Click Next to start the installation. Restart the computer after the installation is finished. You will find Realtek Bluetooth 5-spot for adapter in the Device Manager after the driver is installed successfully. The Bluetooth icon should appear in the system tray after the driver is installed. Right-click on the icon and choose Add a Bluetooth device. From the context menu, click Add Bluetooth device or other devices. Bluetooth. Select the Bluetooth device you want to connect. If you are having trouble finding the Bluetooth icon in the bottom right corner of your computer screen, don't worry. You can easily locate the icon by following our simple method. Firstly, open the browser and enter our official website address. Select Devices. After entering Bluetooth and other devices, find more Bluetooth options and enter Bluetooth settings. Check Go Show Bluetooth icon in the notification area.